Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer. Because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17, $20. Okay. So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17 $20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist. Okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it, and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2 3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell, and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3 4,000 watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you want to know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder, and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do the quick review for this thing called Domain Drive AI. So we are on the sales page right now, and the very top, at the very top, you have the early bird $5 discount coupon, which is DDVIP, which you can claim. So if you want to buy this for whatever reason, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab a Domain Drive AI copy here. Click on that link. That will bring you to the same sales page where it says it's time to let 100 plus AI models work for you and start your own 100% hands-off business. Brand new name cheap killer software integrated with 100 plus top AI models creates your own 100% hands-off domain and hosting business, and automatically registers the cheapest domains in existence and sells them for you for a profit 24 divided by 7 divided by 365. Okay, get your share of the $111 billion per year hosting, domain hosting, and domain. Okay, you got that? That's just garbage. Okay, so if you want to understand in simple language, plain English, what they are claiming theoretically, or the concept is that you will somehow, by miracle in your dreams, you will buy this software, and then this software will start buying cheap domains, and then you will be able to sell these cheap domains to somebody at the higher cost or price out of the blue by some miracle. Okay, so this will find the cheapest domains. I get it, but how will you make people buy? How will you force people to buy your domains? Are you gonna force me now? And you might have 100 domains. I don't need it. So what are you gonna do? Force me? I mean, what I'm trying to say is that do you want honesty, or do you want some what do you call this, politically correct or diplomatic answer? Diplomatic. Do you want me to be honest, or do you want me to be diplomatically correct, or give you a diplomatic answer? If you want the honesty, then this is garbage. Okay, so this is some shorts inside the dashboard, and once you log in, you will have this kind of dashboard, and you will be able to, I guess, find some domains. Are we done? Yeah, 5 seconds of the video. And then let's play that next one, which is again 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So you go to some settings here, And God knows what you're doing here. I have no idea. Okay, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. What were you doing half an hour ago in your life, 1 hour ago? What were you doing 1 hour ago? Maybe you were eating, maybe you were in your office 1 hour ago, maybe you were in your bathroom, maybe you were in the shower, maybe you were in the garden, maybe you were in the pool, maybe you were driving. I don't know what you were doing 1 hour ago, half an hour ago. And now all of a sudden you got this offer and you have to become some domain seller or provider. What? Let's say 1 hour ago I was having a cup of tea or coffee, and now I have to become a domain seller. Half an hour ago I was in my garden, I was doing gardening or with playing with my kids, and now I have to become a domain seller. Ask this question to yourself. So whatever pops up on your screen, it doesn't mean that you have to start going around that. Okay, does this thing attracts you, excites you? Then yes, you can do your research and try to get it. Now the point being is these things in 17, 15, $20 will make you nothing. Okay, these are those dumb softwares. These are those dumb softwares. Demo video is not live yet, which you can just, it's called also digital dust, which you can buy and just forget about it. Okay, you pay them the money, that's all the reality, everything else is a dream. So the money going out from your card, that is the only reality. And in return you will buy some domains and you will sell them, and somebody will buy and you will become rich, or you will get traffic, or you will make money, or this will happen, that will happen. You can have as many orgasms you want only in your dreams. Nothing is going to happen in the reality. Okay, you do not, nobody does. Okay, you or nobody makes money in buying something in 17, $20. I don't know if you will get that in your head in this life or not. Everybody can possibly afford 17, $20. Everybody can. Anybody who's watching my video, you can afford $17. So why is not everybody making money on the internet then? Because it's just not reality. It is not possible to buy something in 20 bucks and start making money with a machine. There's no machine to make money. It's hardcore skill. Okay. So what exactly is domain drive AI? Go and read this and waste your time. So this is one of the garbage, I could say, if I have to. I don't trust the legit. I do not trust that they will even maintain the software. Okay, so they will launch the software and forget about it, and in the future, if it doesn't even work, if you can't even get into the dashboard, if nothing clicks, then don't complain, because I'm telling you, it's $17. These are low. These are those use and throw one-time launches. Like they launch to make money for themselves, and you pay them. That's the only reality. Nothing else is real. That's the only reality. You will pay them, they'll make the money. Nothing else is real in this world. So if you don't buy this for whatever reason, I don't know why am I saying this, you're gonna buy it. But I'll leave my link below. So go and buy this from my link, make me some money. Okay, you buy from me, I make money, you make shit. So if you're gonna buy, then these are the upgrades, 16, 17, 18, 1900. You pay them 67, 197, 97. God knows what are you paying for. Let's see what we have in front end. So you have this something AI orgasm here, AI powered orgasm in domains industry. So go and get your orgasm. And in OTO 1 is this, OTO 2 is this, and OTO 3 is this, OTO 4 is this, OTO 5 is this, blah, blah, blah. My neck hurts. I have to give rest to my neck now. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Let's wind this up. I told you in the beginning that these are my methods which makes money for me personally. Like I told you, I was doing these reviews in the beginning of my YouTube, like 5 years ago, 4 years ago. I started these reviews. I did these reviews nonstop for a couple of years, and then I got frustrated. There is a level of frustration, which you will cross eventually in your life. So I stopped doing these reviews, and then I went and got into some different field called trading, which I mastered trading, and now I'm at peace. And now it's time to give back. So now I can come back and make these reviews because I certainly have something to offer to people. Because at that time I will ask you to come and make YouTube videos, which I'll still do, because YouTube gives you free traffic. If you know how to speak, if you can come on the camera, that's very good. That's very good. Okay, if you can come on the camera, I don't come on the camera because my laptop has a very poor camera, and I don't want to buy a new camera as of now. I don't care. Okay, so my laptop camera quality is very poor. That's one reason I don't come on the camera, and I don't want to buy the new camera because I don't really care. I make my videos non-stop because if I try to come on the camera, I have to worry about how do I look, this and that. And in that time, I can record 4 videos. If you come on the camera, you can hardly record 1 video, but if you don't come on the camera, you can record 5 videos. That's what I do. I produce content. So domain drive AI, these things will come and go, and you will even forget about them. And I will forget about them. World will forget about them. And the business model they're talking about, some AI will find the cheap domains, and then okay, you will find the domain. Then what? Who's gonna buy? Whom you gonna force to buy? I don't wanna buy. Then what? It's a digital dust. Okay. So again, if all these things were supposed to make money, then the next thing will never be required. If one thing was supposed to make money, $17, you will never buy the another thing. Okay. Understand how this game works? I hope you so. I hope you do now. If not, you can go and watch 1600 plus reviews on my channel. I have done this many times, thousands of times. But coming back to the beginning of the video, if you really want to make real money on the internet, then check out those links below my video, the trading if you are interested, or go and make money on YouTube. I have the full course on YouTube, or go and get those 100 leads per day, which I have told you in the beginning. And if you want to buy this domain drive AI for whatever reason, you will also find the link of this product. Go and buy and make some money. And if you want to work with me, I think better ways are to work with me by buying my courses. Okay, so go and check them out. Links are below the video, and I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care, subscribe, like, and share.